come to therapy with me.
Today we're spending time with one of the dogs who's been in Wags and Walks care the longest.
Therapy for me is taking out a rescue dog who could really use a break. So let's go to therapy and let's go meet her. Hello. She's a pocket pitty. Oh, hi. You're so cute. Come on, you ready? Good girl. You are so stinking cute. All right, we just got to the Venice canals. Moxie did so good in the car. Now let's go take her on a nice, long, sniffy walk. Okay, this is so pretty. I have literally never been here. One of the fun things about taking a dog out for an adventure is that you also get to like explore new places together. Moxie, good girl. There's a duck right there and she literally could care less. I want to take some headshots of Moxie during our adventure to really get her in like that happy spirit. I feel like this is a good spot to do it. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. We are gonna go to Venice Beach now. Maybe get a little sweet treat, see how she likes the beach. Whoa! Did you just get zoomies? Whoa! Good girl. Oh yeah, this is my kind of therapy. All right, now we're gonna go take her to the water. Come on. Come on. She is literally so happy. Good girl. Good girl. She's literally having the time of her life. It's crazy what some decompression can do to more shy dogs. It's just amazing. I love it. I just love you. Thank you. First kiss of the day. All right, we got Moxie an ice cream to end our adventure, so let's see how this goes. Good girl. Oh, don't, you're gonna get brain freeze. I'm convinced it does not get much better than this. Our little therapy session for the day is done, so let's take Moxie back to the rescue. She was such a good girl, you guys. If you get sad when you have to drop them back off, trust me, that's normal. But you have to remember that rescue in general is not about your feelings. It is about the dog. And today we got to learn more about Moxie. She got to decompress. She got to sniff. Like, she had a great time. And at the end of the day, that is what matters.